Welcome back to your new tutorial. This tutorial I will describe how to manipulating data in MySQL database. At first I will add how to inserting a data or add a data on MySQL table. First I cleared the board and remember first change your database. I change my database, use tutorial, use tutorial. Okay, I change my database. 5 statement can manipulating data. First is insert and second replace. These two statement to add data to table in a MySQL database, and second update statement. The update statement they can able to modify data in table in MySQL database, and at last use or transcript. These two statement to delete data from table in MySQL database. First I give an example, that is how to inserting data in a MySQL database. Let's write an example how to insert a data. For insert a data, first write insert, second write into, and table name. This time I use books table, and add some column name. I add some column name. First book, go to the column name, product ID, add quantity and price. I use weight, description, and at last use color. I take only 6 column to insert data. Write values. Remember which type of data support each of the table. Their product ID. I take an easy way how to remember this. First comment this and write this. Describe table name books. Okay, check. Look at that, which type of data support. Product ID is tiny integer, therefore you use only small integer value on to 28. Product ID I write tiny integer, that is 22. I use 1, and second is quantity I set 12. It is similar to tiny integer. And third is price. I set price is 50, and weight set 12. Description is a text. Check this description. Description is string type below, so I write a string, that is the book name is Harry Potter. Remember our bar chart contained only 100 alphabet, and I said I think there have only 15 to 20 value. At last set color, and color there have it is enum value, therefore this enum value content only 3 type, and there I set red, red. I set only enum value red. Yes, that is red, green, blue, red. Check how many value I set. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, I set column 6 and value content there 6. Now at last take a semicolon. Yes, and run. Yes, this value is content inside there on row affected. Check how many value are added. That is easy way to check how many value are added. That is right select into from table name and execute. As on row is affected. Look at that, the we add only 6 column value inside on there, but there have 7 column value added because I use auto increment option. Therefore this id add extra value. This value continue at plus plus on. This time our value is on, and if I add another row, then add another on plus on. That means second row value is 2. Now let's check how to insert multiple value in on statement. First clear my board and okay, and change first value name value to write 50, 55, 22. This book name is Potter. I write Potter, and write okay, same thing I write. Break my statement, values on, right, duplicate values 2 with a comma. As our first value is this and second value I write this, write 5, write 20, 55, 12. This book name is and color is red. I add on value, that is write 6, 22, 5, 2. Right, this book name is black. Okay, red. It is the way of insert multiple value at one time. First, my first bracket insert column name and write values and type each of the value and write a comma. Okay, now execute this value. I see there have a problem. This error is code 1264 out of range value column quantity at row 3. I describe this error. First I comment this and write describe box. Okay, describe box. Okay, check quantity. Quantity is tiny integer. That means you take only 127 maximum, because if you cannot specify this value is signed or unsigned, then you can take 127 plus value and minus 128. This is minus value. Now I remove our comment statement and I write 120. I think this time it's worked. Okay, now execute. Yes, this value now is executed. It is multiple value insert statement example. Now check how many value are added. That is, first comment this and write select into from table name is books. Okay, execute. Look at that, I add 3 value, that is 6, 5 and 2. 6, 5 and 2 inside in product ID. Similar quantity, price, weight, etc. I add this value. This value add perfectly. How to add date? Look at that, there have n column, that is null. It is a special type of data format. It is called date formation. And now I use this. First cut out this select book and remove this. Okay, add another formation, another column add, that is upload date. Yes, I add this upload date and write. I use an MySQL function that call is current date, that is code date. Okay, I use this and I also change this value at 21, 5, 2, 2 and book name is okay. Try to execute. Yes, this value is included. Now check. As this date is added inside on there, you are able to add more date option and also edit date option. That is the way. Write date plus 3. That means code date add extra 3 years. I also change this. Okay, execute it. Now let's check. Okay, sorry, this date can add only 3 days extra. First first statement at day 5 on there, and second statement at day extra 3 day add. This 3 not years, it is day. Code date plus 3, that means extra 3 day added, and that is it. When I describe MySQL date function, then I add brief example. Now go to the next topics. Now I take an example, that is how to add data with replace statement. It is similar insert statement. First I write replace and write into and database name, table name, and take some column name. I add product ID, quantity, price, weight, description. 1 2 3 4 5 description, and add serial number, color, and take values. Now I add values, that is first product ID. I add product ID 10, and quantity 23, and price write 24, and weight 22. Description I use description that is description I said, that is book name, bank, and color I color set blue. Okay, let's try to execute. Click execute button. Yes, this query is executed. Check the value details. Add this value inside on column, inside on table. Now I update data with MySQL command statement. I cut this value and comment this, and now let's try. Write this statement, update box set product ID is equal to 11, where product ID is equal to 10. Okay, let's check it. I fetch an error, that is update box set product ID, where product ID. You are using safe update mode, and you try to update a table without a where that use key column. Okay, we face a problem because you use product ID inside on where clause. That is illegal option because I update this product ID and use product ID on condition option. I change my condition option. I write this where uh, quantity where quantity is equal to 20. Okay, try again. Yes, our update statement is worked. One row affected. Let's check. Yes, this value is update and their quantity 20. Look at that, their quantity is 20. If you want to use more secure option to update, then write this update quantity is equal to 20 and price is equal to 500 dot 00 s, and I change this product ID. I said 10, sorry 10, not 10, I said 40. Okay, execute this. This statement is executed but no row affected because price option perfectly not matched. Let's try again. I change decimal value and try to execute. Zero row affected. Let's check this value is there or not. Price 55, but I said 50. Okay, now change where price 55. Let's try to execute. Okay, yes, this value is now changed. I set product ID 14 and quantity 20 and price 55. I want to change product ID and where clause detect which row I want to detect it or change the product ID value. Now I take an example how to delete a value inside on MySQL table. Let's try it. At first, comments on this. Right, delete box. At first, write delete from box. Right where price is equal to 20 and you must be set limit how many column deleted, sorry, how many row delete. This is the row limit. I set on MySQL default row limit is 1000. Your maximum delete on 1000 below. in on statement. Now execute this statement. As I execute this statement, zero row affected. Zero row affected because the price column have no any price 20. Their price minimum 2 and maximum 55. I set this 25 and try to execute. As on row affected and check it. Price 20. Look at that. Price 20. Sorry, price 25 is not on there. It is the simple delete statement. In next topics, I will describe more information about this. Please subscribe our channel.